So hi everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how I go about flat ironing my color treated / bleach natural hair. So right now I have my hair in twist. My hair has been washed and I left it in twist overnight for it to dry and be in a stretch state. So I'm just unraveling the twist right here. I'm going in with a white tooth comb, and because I didn't give myself a trim in a long time, a trim was long overdue, I wanted to get rid of all those straggling ends, especially since I was flat ironing my hair and I wanted my hair to be as sleek and smooth as possible. So I'm going in with the scissors and I'm just trimming the ends of my hair. Alright, so all the trimming has been done. I'm going in with a small tooth comb and I'm going in with my flat iron, and this is the first pass. So this is going to take my hair from being natural to kind of like a pressed state. Not going to be bone straight because this is just the first pass, as I said. And I actually forgot to show, but I actually do have heat protectant on my hair. It's very, very, very important. Very important to use heat protectant on your hair.
But my music fire, it did drive them crazy. I want me one for me, for my city, for my hood, them know. See my people, them hail me. If they're hating on me, make the carry go. For me radio, every day they play me for me radio. Then they feel me, anytime they see me on the video. They want to see when me chilling for me yard, I'm sitting on the low key. Shake goes. Man a bad man, they can try this. What my band is okay. Anytime they see me, they don't want to feel me. They just want to.
And what you can see me rubbing in here is actually the heat protectant that I previously mentioned. So I'm going in with the flat iron. I'm making sure that my hair is thoroughly detangled with a small tooth comb, and then I'm gonna slide the flat iron all throughout my hair.
Original bad man.
It's fake hills.
Standard. Original bad man. And me get this song for them. Lego. Original bad man. His body baby.
It's fake hills.
Catching that vibe. Me and my guys, we are feeling alright. Feeling the crew. Dancing like we ain't got nothing to lose. Another bottle done go down. Me and my guys never slow down. Them girls, no one calm down. We be going from short to short now. Top of me want my knee. They wanna put me on the display, but me I know said make them watch me on the TV. What my band is okay. Anytime they see me, they don't want to feel me. They just want to talk. Take it raw and okay. If you they play my music, if you get my CD, if you hit me when you see me, they want to know. Tobari me in the street to my say, will they make them? They got to go. Tobari me in the bed to my calm down.
Alright, so now is the fun part. This is actually where you're going to style and create those gorgeous curls, waves, whatever you want. So I'm going in with a small flat iron. And as I said, this is where I'm going to create the shape that I want. So I'm bumping the ends, the back portion of my hair. I'm going to bump that.
See my people, them hail me. If they're hating on me, make the carry go. For me radio. Every day they play me for me radio. Then they feel me. Anytime they see me on the video. They want to see when me chilling for me me yard and me sitting on the low key and shake goose. Man a bad man, they can try this. What my brand is okay. Anytime they see me, they don't want to feel me. They just want to talk.
And let me apologize because I was rushing so much I could not even turn back on the camera to finish show you the results. So let me apologize, but I did include some pictures right here. So I hope that you enjoy this video. If you have, please don't forget to give it a massive thumbs up. And if you have not already, go ahead and click my face down below and subscribe to my channel. So until next time, bye bye.